된장깻잎, soybean paste, sesame leaves. Today we are going to make a sesame leaves, a vegetable side dish with the plants grown here. That said, take a look at these plants growing next. We can see some of the ingredients growing in the garden. After that, we'll harvest the leaves here. We've collected 120 sesame leaves. Okay, let's wash sesame leaves first with water. Okay, let's take a look at some of the ingredients. This is dashima seaweed. When you touch it, it is very hard. After boiling it, you can see very soft texture like this. Can you see? Red pepper powder. We call it 고춧가루. 고춧가루. I need dried seaweed water. I will wash the leaves like this. I want to get some green onion from these pots. I will make chopped garlic like this. Finally, I prepare for all ingredients. Green onion, 2 tablespoons. Red pepper powder, a half of tablespoon. Plum syrup, mashed egg, 2 tablespoons. Chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons. Fermented soybean paste, 3 tablespoons. And perilla oil, 1 tablespoon. Seaweed water, 100 milliliter. Mix them all together. If it tastes great, add a layer of sesame leaves being a spoon of sauce. Liquid with 2 or 3 sesame leaves at a time until you have many layers. Now we are ready to put it in the refrigerator overnight and let those leaves soak and be delicious sauce. Utilization. I made a gimbal with fermented soybean paste, 된장깻잎. Like this, put some rice on the dried seaweed and add some eggs and pumpkin, carrot, and tuna mayonnaise, and then roll it up and eat it. Wow, it is so yummy. Yum, 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 yum.